I am going to share with y'all a drink that we serve at Paula Deen's Family Kitchen restaurants. And those restaurants are in Pigeon Forge, Nashville, Tennessee, Branson, Missouri, in Alabama.
Foley,
Alabama, and it's located in the Owa. What do you call it?
An entertainment district.
An entertainment center, for lack of a better word. But it's just, they're continually building Owa up, where there's going to be a lot of fun things. One of our restaurants is in there. Panama City, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Did I name them?
Mm-hmm. And in Savannah.
And in Savannah, we've got the Lady and Sons, and in Paula Deen's Creek House. But this drink is served at the Paula Deen Family Kitchen restaurants. I don't think we serve this at the Lady and Sons or Creek House, maybe, but I'm not sure. But so I think with the 4th of July coming up, everybody that orders this at the restaurants loves it. So I've got 1 cup of lime juice, 1 cup of sugar, and this is just cold water. I've got my mint, I've got my lime, and I got my blueberries. So I'm going to start with 2 cups of blueberries. I guess I'm just going to mosaic it right here in this water.
Or in the pitcher if you wanted to.
I don't know. I'm kind of scared. I sure hate to break it, but let's see. I'm going to try it. So this is 2 cups of frozen blueberries that have been thawed. But you know what? It's blueberry season, so I don't know why you wouldn't use fresh. But for the restaurant, and you're serving this 365 days a year, it's not always blueberry season, is it? Okay. Let's hope I don't make too big of a mess.
I think you put all of it in together.
Well, I'm going to do it separate just to get a little head start. Would y'all believe it? I don't have a blender. Somehow, we sold River being furnished. So I think they got a blender now at their house. Okay. Shake it, but don't break it, Paula. That's what the guys used to say. Us girls in our shorts, we'd be walking away and those guys would holler, shake it, but don't break it. Wish I had that swing in my backyard. Oh my gosh, those were the days of innocence. All right, I'm just gonna add my cup of sugar right in here. And I'm going to give that I want to get that sugar mixed in there good. Because the water that I'm going to put in there is cold water. So that won't help that sugar to dissolve at all.
Will the lime juice help? I was wondering, does lime juice help? I didn't know if the acidity in it does anything.
I don't know, but let's go ahead and put that in, and we'll add the water last. This is gonna be delicious. I mean, we know that for Lord have mercy. Come on, Paula. Wouldn't that taste good in the drink? Okay, so much for you. All right, so in goes our 4 4 cups of cold water.
Look how pretty.
Isn't that pretty? Now I'm gonna use a spoon, but I'm gonna wash that sugar off my hands. I know you find it hard to believe, but I got sugar on me. I think this works good if you let it sit for a little while and make sure your sugar dissolves. That's what I like to do when I make my tea. I want to make sure that and I made a mess on the inside. I don't like that. This is clean rag. I just took it out of the drawer a second ago. So I just want to make sure it's nice and clean and pretty. Did I get it pretty clean?
Yes, ma'am.
Teresa, I can't.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And I picked out a glass, and this is so appropriate. Bob and Holly McManus gave me this set of glasses for my birthday, this 75th year. So I'm gonna put my blueberry punch in here, and hopefully the picture will show up.
Oh yeah, you're going to fill it all the way up.
I know. Bob and Holly had a picture of me and the dogs engraved on these glasses.
So cute.
Isn't that cute? And you probably don't know who I'm saying when I say Bob and Holly McManus, but Bob is the CEO of Paula Deen Ventures. So he's a very important Bob in my life. All right, now I'm gonna need to go a little deeper. So I'm gonna, there we go. I'm gonna garnish it with some blueberries and lime and some mint. And you know that if you, it's a tough piece of mint. Is this what we are growing out in the garden?
Yes, ma'am.
It smells so good. And y'all know if you just set this in your glass, it's not gonna release any flavor. You have to actually crush it. Take your mint and crush it, and it will release all that mint flavor throughout your drink. So I think this would be wonderful for the 4th of July, and it's kid friendly. This is so delicious. I certainly understand why people love this so much at the menu. All right, now look, as the drink goes down, you can see the picture better, can't you? Mm-hmm. I'd have thought it would have been the other way around. Yeah, it's coming through as it gets cold. But, so if y'all have an opportunity to go to Paula Deen's Family Kitchen, in the places that I named, tell them you want that blueberry limeade drink. Delicious. All right, let me see if I can fix this thing now. So I want to show y'all the beauty of this drink, our blueberry limeade that's served at Paula Deen's Family Kitchen. It made so much, I'm gonna make the children homemade popsicles. So simple. Eddie, thank you for finding the popsicle things.
You're welcome. I can't find my paint.
Your paint thing. What does it look like? Does it look like a brush or
It's a bowl of paint.
a bowl of
Down to
paint?
find that. No.
I was gonna say, did you take it to the garage with you or? So my grands are gonna be having a homemade popsicle that I know is all fresh ingredients. A hidden bonus to the blueberry limeade. Perfect. So in the freezer they go. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.